Welcome back everyone. What a difference a week makes. This time last week we were having Storm Dara. Not Dara. Yes, it was Storm Dara. And we got loads more debris blown over from the building site again. The committee have been rather busy, you know, protesting to the council to see if we can get the builders to do something to secure all the stuff. Because the previous storm, we got a load of polystyrene, huge big sheets of polystyrene coming over, and the polystyrene breaks down into little pieces, and it's almost impossible to get rid of once it starts breaking down. But we're here today. I'll try not to keep bumping my microphone. We're here today, and the first job I've got to do today is that barrel. I want to get it cleared of oil, so we can start using it for making a fire. So I'm going to drain the rest of the oil out and I'll take it to the tip when I leave here today. So I've brought my oil can and I'm just going to use this to scoop it out. Come on and I'll show you what's in there. As you can see, there's a mixture of oil and water in there because the rain got into it as well. So I'm going to carefully try and remove what's in there, and I'll take it to the tip and get it disposed of responsibly. They have a big container down at the tip where you can put used engine oil. So hopefully all any spills will drain into that plug hole. But yeah, I took the top off using my little battery operated sort of grinder thing. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to come back and do another one of these. Hopefully before it fills up with rainwater again. I'll just stand on there just now. Okay, that's one job done. Other jobs we're doing today, we're going to be moving compost. It's not very exciting. I'll show you what we're moving. I'm not going to show you us moving it because there's nothing very exciting about man shoveling compost all afternoon. But you come over here. We've got all this compost in here, and it's quite good compost actually. So it'll save us quite a few quid. So I don't know how much is in there, but once I get that cleared, I can then empty this side in it, and probably about the bottom foot of this one is good compost as well. So empty that. Move all the solid stuff that's not decomposed into the new bay. Get the compost at the bottom of that. We've got another little compost area up there that we're going to take. Then if you look in the shed, we've got some wood in the shed. We're going to make a new raised bed for Dalila. There's part of Dalila's plot where it's very, very clay and it's difficult to get stuff to grow in it. So what we'll do is we'll make a raised bed. We'll fill it full of this homemade compost. It's pallet wood we're getting from the builder's yards. So we'll have a raised bed with some compost in it for Dalila, and she can grow, I don't know, carrots or parsnips or whatever she wants. So we'll hopefully get that done this winter, and she can use it in the spring. So for now, we're going to get cracking on and start moving some compost. Right, so I'm just going to finish off this bag, and then we're going to call it a day because I want to get the tip to get rid of that engine oil before the tip closes. So bindweed, absolute hate bindweed, look. But I mean, this is free compost. Sorry if this is making a loud noise in the microphone. Just take the bindweed and anything else that I don't want going through. Break a few of the lumps up so they go through. But we've been at this for a couple of hours now, and we've got some really good results. I just want to top this bag up. As I say, most of this is made from waste we get from the rabbit hutch back home. And then obviously any grass and stuff here at the allotment. But yeah, it's been a nice afternoon. The sun's been out, we've chatted, we've sat down, we've had a cup of coffee, a few biscuits as usual, done a little bit of work. Plot neighbours were up, so we had a wee little chat with them, nice couple. So, yeah, that's enough in that bag. I'm just going to put that there. If you have a look at this, how fine it is after it's been sieved. Pay a fortune for that in the shop, and we're getting it for free. Right, these go back in the shed because there's too many thieves on this site. while I'm here, I found out where the coffee shop at work stash all their used coffee grinds. So I'm going to caffeinate my compost in future. Some people say it'll deter the slugs and snails. I'm not too sure, but I'm hoping that the extra caffeine will give them sleepless nights. So every day I go into work, I grab a couple of bags. Well, I grab a bag of this every day. So that's, I only went in twice this week, but usually I go in 3 times a week. So yeah, it's all organic matter, so hopefully it will break down. Excellent stuff. And as usual, these will go in the non-recyclable bag. But yeah, I just want to move this bag of compost. So we've got 7 bags here, and there's 4 bags over there, and there's easily another 7, but there's easily, I don't know, I think there's about another 15 bags, maybe even more than that, inside the compost bin. Now I've got that little compost bin to go, so we're not going to be short on compost, which is good, because these beds down here, the parsnip and the strawberry bed, I'm going to take the strawberries out, I'm going to top the compost all the way up to the top. Same with the parsnips. Once all the parsnips are out, I'm going to fill that up to the top. We're going to have some more parsnips for over Christmas, but I'm not going to pick them right now. I'm going to leave them until the Monday just before Christmas. We haven't done anything else. All we've done today is compost, so there's not really much to show you. Just a quick update on the garlics, because I was getting a bit worried about the elephant garlic. The normal garlic shot up within a week, 2 weeks, but the elephant garlic didn't come up, and I was getting so worried that I planted some at home. All the remaining elephant garlic I broke up into cloves and planted at home. So I'm quite pleased to say that they're coming up now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I've got 16 cloves of garlic, elephant garlic. Actually, 17, because that one's coming up there. So full germination, which I'm very pleased about, because I was getting worried about that, but it's all good. It's all good. Just before you go, I want to show you the cracking cabbage that Dalila's picked. She grew it and picked. Look at this beauty. Wow, that is a lot of coleslaw for Dalila. And she's got several others like this as well, so yeah, she's going to be eating cabbage well into the new year. But that's it. It's just a quick one today, just to show you, you know, we're still doing little bits of work. We're not planting anything yet. I might start off my onion seeds at home and put them in my new VitalPod propagator. So I'll film that. But from today, we want to go and get to the tip, get the oil done, so we've got to go. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.